How to promote YouTube videos with Google Ads. To get started, you will just have to head over to your YouTube dashboard, and then you will have to head over to the content tab on the left. Right here you can then see all of your different kind of videos that you can get started promoting. Now, so for example, let's say for this video, I will actually promote this MailChimp versus Bravo video right here. So I will just open this video in a new tab, and now you will have to head over to promotions on the top right here. Then you will have to click on Get Started, and now you will have to link a Google Ads account to your YouTube account. So just click right here and click on Create a new account if you don't already have an account. Then you will have to select a video from your channel. Now please notice that you will just have to click on Add right here. And then as for me, I will just select this MailChimp versus Bravo video. And then we can edit the promotion headline and description. So let's for example say for the promotion headline, we're going to write something like MailChimp versus Bravo. What's the best email marketing tool? And then we could also change the promotion description if we want to. And we will also see kind of a preview right here. So as you can see, this is how it is actually going to look like on Google. And if we want to, we can also look at all of the policies right here. So I will just click on Next. And then we can set where our video should get shown. So for example, we can set the viewer location. Let's say that we want to target the United States as well as some high-tier countries like Germany or the Netherlands, for example. And then we can also add certain languages. So for example, we can set this to English because the video that I've selected is actually in English. Then we will just have to click on Next, and then we will have to select the budget for our ad. So as you can see, we will have to first of all select the currency, then the total budget. So let's say that this is going to be $1. And now as you can see right here, promotions with a total budget of at least 75 euros tend to have a better performance. And also based on your total budget, you'll be spending an average of 7 cents per day. Because as you can see, we will have to select our end date right here. And this is actually set in 2 weeks. So it would actually make sense that, okay, so we can actually up our budget. And once again, Google actually recommends you to put in at least 75 euros. However, this is just a test video, so I will not actually do that. Then just click on Next. And then you will have to enter all of your payment info. So you will have to select your residence country, and then you can create a new payment profile to actually pay for all of the ads. And then just click Promote on the bottom right, and then you're basically set to go.